In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2024 freely. Let's get started. First of all, make a folder in desktop area. Right click and go to new and click folder Office 2024. Enter. Open the browser. Type here google.com. And search here Office customization tool, Office customization tool, and then click this official first link. Choose the architecture. If you don't know about it, click on this PC icon and right click here and go to properties. You will see here your system type. My PC is a 64. This way you can confirm it. I choose this 64 architecture. Office suites, click here and choose which Office program would you like to install your PC. Now I'm going to install this Office Professional Plus 2024. So I click here or scroll and go to down. Click here and choose this Professional 2024 volume license and project. I choose same. Additional products, it's not necessary, and this select the versions. Now I want to choose this latest versions and apps. In your Office program, it will not include this. You can turn off this, like publishers, I don't need it. OneDrive desktops, I don't need. Turn off this apps. And next, choose language. I choose English, United States. Go to down. Additional language, it is not necessary. Go to next. It's already set. Look, it's not necessary. Go scroll and operates. Click here. That is not importance. Licensing activities general to, it's not importance. Click application preference. All these options has been checked. So click finish. And then click exports options. In this default files format, you choose Office Open XML formats and then click OK and put a tick in licensing agreement and click export. Open the folder, copy this file and paste in your folder. That is my folder. Right click and paste. Again open browser, click new tabs, go to Google. Now search here Office Deployment Tool. Yes, Office Deployment Tool. Click this first link and choose language and click download. I open it. This is my Office Deployment Tools. Double click here and run it. Click yes and then put a tick here and click here and choose where you want to extract these files. I have made this file in Office desktops and it's my folder. So I select it and click OK. And this file extracts successfully. Click on OK and close it. Open this folder. Here is my 3 programs. Close it. Move this folder in your Windows installations. My operating system is in C drive, so I right click and cut it and go to PC. Here is my operating system. I open it and then paste here. I close it. Then click this search options and type here CMD. And then click this Run as Administrator. Click on yes. And type here CD space and open your Office folder to copy the location. I open it and click here and then here's my Office folder. Click here and then right click and copy it, minimize it, and then paste here. Now it's installation time, so right here one command set up setup space slash configure 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 space configurations configurations dot XML and press enter. Yeah, installation process has been started. It takes a little time. It depends on your internet speed and PC. To know this process, click here and click this icons. You see here now 3% has been completed. After a few times, I show you again. You are all set. Installation process has been completed. So click this close buttons and close it. And open your programs. I press Windows plus R and type your WinWord and press enter key. Yes, first time accept the license agreement and click this accept button and close. Yes, and click this blank document. Yes, which program has been installed and you can use it lifetime. I hope this video will help you to install Microsoft Office freely. Thank you for watching.